welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in look incredible April box. My box is a little bit coming apart, but the box is not important. It can come apart, I don't care. Important is what's inside. I already take a look. It's amazing. It's this is my little. I will leave that info about the box on my blog, which I'll link down below. It always contains 5 full-size items. There is always a luxury brands. It comes every other month. I think it's 81 euros for me with shipping. So it is expensive, but it always has a great value and you get amazing products in it. So I don't mind paying more and getting what I actually like, rather than I pay less and then half of it is nonsense. So this is how that looks. The value of this month's like the April box is £140, and there is so many amazing items. I'm so excited. Anyway, first thing is something from Fenty. It's the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer. It retails for £18. If I can get it out. Oh gosh. So this is how it looks. It's my first Fenty item. I can't wait to try it out and see how I like it. It's so beautiful, and yeah, who doesn't love Fenty? Then next is something that was actually on my wish list, and yes, it's from Nars. Oh, I wanted this blush so much and I don't know why I didn't buy it, but it's good I didn't buy it because it's here. Comes in the black and this is how it looks. Ah! How beautiful is that? This is such a beautiful, it has like a highlighter, blush and a bronzer. I like to mix them like here together, so you get like this kind of shade over here. But if you want, you can go more like you have like basically like 3 different kind of blushes, which I think is amazing. And yeah, I'm super happy with this baby, and it retails for £30. The next item is from Lancome. It's their Lancome L'Absolu Lacquer Lip Color, and the shade I have is Rose Rouge. And this is how it looks. I love the packaging. The color is so beautiful. And it's like a glossy, like kinda. Here it is. Look at this. It's perfect for summer. And yeah, I love Lancome as a brand, and it retails for €24. Then we have a mascara. And yeah, I recently used up one of my mascaras, and I use at the moment a primer from Dior. So I got the waterproof mascara. It's the Dior Show Iconic Overcurl Waterproof Mascara, and it retails for €28. And mine is over noir or over black, and gosh. And this is how it is. It's my first Dior mascara. I do love the primer. Primer is really nice. I always wear it under my mascara for always. And yeah, I'm excited to try the mascara as well. And the last item is a completely new brand to me. It's Suku. It's a Japanese brand, luxury brand. It's a blend color eyeshadow, and the shade is a 19 awful. Okay, I'm not pronouncing that. That's just recipe for failure. So it comes in this velvet pouch, and it looks super sleek. Black packaging, and it has 2 little applicators. No one needs those, but look at this. This is like the shadow I gravitate, but I think there is so many, they are all very wearable nude shades, and I do love that the formula is very buttery, silky, gorgeous. And let me do a little finger swatch for you guys. So yeah, here you can see I will do swatch them. So I swatched them here. They're not as pigmented as that you would say Jeffree Star eyeshadows, but these are the, I like to call them this more classy makeup because they're like luxurious, targeted more to a like a lady who wears like very nude look for a day and so on, and not like, oh, blue cut crease, let's say. But yeah, this looks super beautiful, and I can't wait to use it and try it out. So yes, this was the unboxing of the April's my secret box. That's what it's called, April edition. I really do love their boxes. They are amazing. I think it's amazing. Like, I know it's pricey, yeah, but I would rather pay more and get things I like rather than things I don't like. And there is not a single item I'm like, meh, which is crazy. So it's a great box. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.